Today, I will show you how to sign documents using Adobe Acrobat. Signing digitally is fast, secure, and legally recognized. I will guide you step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF document you want to sign. Make sure the document is not locked or restricted. Next, look for the Fill and Sign tool. You can find it in the left-hand panel or under the Tools menu. Click Fill and Sign to activate the signing options. Once the tool is open, you will see a toolbar with options like Add Signature and Add Initials. Click on Sign and then choose Add Signature. You will have 3 options to create your signature. You can type your name and Acrobat will create a signature. Draw your signature using a mouse or touchscreen, or use an image of your handwritten signature. Choose the method you prefer. After creating your signature, click Apply. Then move your cursor to the area of the document where you want the signature to appear. Click to place the signature and adjust its size or position if needed. If you need to sign multiple pages, you can repeat the process for each page. Acrobat will save your signature for future use, so you can apply it quickly next time. Once you are done signing, save the document. Go to File and click Save or Save As to keep a copy of the signed document. You can now send the PDF by email or share it securely. Remember, digitally signing a document in Adobe Acrobat ensures authenticity and shows that the document has not been altered after signing. This is how you use Adobe Acrobat to sign documents quickly and safely.